Hello friends, this is a thank you note for the response that you have shown for this program Acumen or Culture of Answer Writing program. I initially planned for a number 50 so that the team was very small, so I thought it would be manageable with that team, the backend team. But the response has been overwhelming and it is about 200. So what we are now doing is we are expanding this at least for taking the call, having a response to the people who are inquiring, and the content which has to be given in the time, or the free movement of answer sheet from you to me and then back to you. So this has to be done in a regularized fashion. So that is the point we are trying to do it now. Definitely, so I will have a limited number of people as I had put in the brochure. Why I had limited number means because it has to be manageable, content writing. So in the sense that answer writing, I have to check and I have to check and give the feedback, only then the process will work. And that is why that is the plan we have now. But whether, for example, many had shown interest, so but we will have a phased manner. So I will put the details also very soon. That is, we will have 2 3 phases of this acumen answer writing culture of answer writing program, and we will accommodate as many as possible as I keep expanding this backend, so that they will be able to handle the calls and be able to give the response for your answer sheet. But for now, anyone, so for example, you have registered your mail, then you will receive, now for example, you will receive a mail. In that mail you will have the details for everything, so every little detail will be there, and the payment details will also be there. So you have to pay, and once you pay, you have to send in a receipt of the same, so that your number, you will be added to a Telegram group. In that Telegram group, all the details of the test, so schedule of the test, the answer schedule of the test, and what time, everything. So when you have to give your answer sheet, all the details, and the essential model answer, essential model paper, essential model answer structure, and the content necessary, everything will be there. So once we start the program, it will start running, and that group will be the source of information for you. So that is how we have planned. But as of now, as I told you, I have no words other than to thank you all for your response. And we will accommodate everyone. We will try to accommodate everyone in a phased manner, so that it becomes easier for you as well as us, so that the feedback is continuous, and it is not having any clogged feedback. The feedback, as I said, the problem in answer writing is this clogged feedback. You write an answer, you have to have a continuous flow of feedback till a particular number of time. And when you do that, you will be able to have a better answer framework, better answer writing skill. And but what we are going to see in this video is an elaboration of many doubts have been asked about this program. So I have elaborated every single doubt. For example, you are a working professional, you have to, whether you have to join first attempt, you have to join, whether you have many attempts, whether you have to join, or how would be the feedback, or how can I connect with all of you. Many had asked that. I will definitely give the response there as well. So but the end is that the payment details now will be mailed to you. Do not worry, it will, as I told you, the team is very small. They will be sending the mail very soon with all the details to your response that you have sent. Thank you for that response. So let us go into the video. So what we are going to see in this video is the details about the program Acumen answer writing program. Many had asked for some clarifications. So this video will be about that. And my name is Sivaraj Rajendran, and with that information, we'll go into the video. So the first thing is the details. So what does this program means? See, it covers a period of around 45 days, 45 days till. So what we have planned is still or before Christmas. So then New Year comes. So before that, so we'll complete all this before that, so that within these days, so you will be completing a considerable portion of your syllabus. And also the main my main aspect is that you will not fear answer writing. So you will understand this is answer writing. Okay. So how we have planned it is that, so weekdays, so 5 days, every day we will write one question. So that is the point. One question, two questions will be given. One question is compulsory. One question you may write, or you can choose to not write also. But if you write and give, we will correct and give you. So weekdays we will cover this, but weekends will you will have a little bit of break, because each session cannot, or this answer writing cannot be done every day. So there will be a break, or weekdays there will be a break, so that you can go refresh yourself. Also, the portions for Monday, or the first, so how we have designed this portion is that, so we have accommodated accordingly, so that in the weekends you will have ample amount of time for covering a larger section of portion. So Monday will be a larger section of portion. The next point is that this correction. So how will be the correction means, it will be within 3 days. That is the point, within 3 days, or maximum 1 week. And as I told you, I have a very small team, and I have to coordinate with them and correct the paper and send it. So the point is that within 3 days we will give you. But if for example somebody sends the paper late, let us assume that they are late in sending the paper, we have to make adjustments, and we have to send it back. So either way, paper will come, feedback will come, how to write your answer, that will come. So you will understand this portion. The next is this schedule for the test. This is the point. So how this answer, for example, how in weekdays what are all the portions, in Monday what will be the portion, and how are we distributing this portion, and the sign. That is what I keep saying, there is a flow to the portion. It is not that you read one paper today, one paper tomorrow. There will be a logic why you have to read one paper today, one paper tomorrow, means there will be a connection between portions. That is what in the last video I said, there are connected topics, connected threads in the syllabus of mains, that we have to find, and the schedule for that test will be done like that. And once you, for example, once you have enrolled and you have made the payment, so that this immediately you will be added in this one telegram group, and we will send you that information very soon. So this schedule will be the first thing, so that you will know, understand. See, what you have to write for the Wednesday paper, I am going to give you a schedule, right? Without that, how is it possible to write a test? That we will give. And the point next is this point, how do I connect with, everyone? So I thought of earlier, I thought having a YouTube video, but the response, because of the response, so many of you have asked. So we will have this is the point, we will have this Zoom live session, and you can ask your doubt and clarification. We will have it in each week, or 3 days once we will have, or 5 days once, depending on the time and the amount of work or the questions to be discussed. We will have this Zoom live sessions. Definitely this is going to be there. But I will also, this is the point, you have to understand. See, that is the point, right? Actually, talking in a class is actually easy, but talking over phone, it should not, the comment should not be misread. So what I will do is that every paper, so in the sense that every paper, the comment section, everything will be there, and the feedbacks will be given. And if you are having difficulty, let us assume that if we are having difficulty, we will clarify that also. But I will definitely try to give these voice notes, voice notes through that telegram channel, so that you will understand. So this is how the picture should be. So answer picture, you would have written, we would have given the model answer, you would have seen the model answer, everything will be there. But even after that, I will give you this voice note, so that you will understand, oh, this is what, okay, this is what we have to see, this we can do. That is this voice note. And then this is the point, whatever may be the cause, if the framework that you are writing, we need to correct, means we will definitely correct. So once you complete this, so this from today to that day, you will be a person who will be able to see this framework. That is the, see, that is the point of this. And that is the, see, that is the point. So this feedback, so you have to know, so how is it achieved? So how is it achieved means, you will change your answer writing, or one day you can change, then next day you can change. It's not possible. It's a continuous loop. It's a continuous loop. And this feedback, so for example, you are writing an answer. So as I told you, within 3 days, the corrections will be over and given to you. But the answer structure, that is, what is the answer structure and the essential content in any answer, how do you derive that? So that will be given. And model answer, for example, any model answer so my answer, or some interview candidate toppers, so many interview candidates are there, my friends who are in service are there, I'll ask them to write also. So you will understand how, for example, a service candidate will write, how a best answer will be there, my answer will also be there. And when you see all that, is the point, you understand this very clearly. When you see this, all this, that is how these toppers are writing, or how service candidate is writing, or how an answer structure can be framed collectively. When you see, or how your friends are writing, when you collectively come together, so feedback will be very continuous. So at the end of the month, let us assume at the before Christmas, so before Christmas and New Year, you can celebrate your New Year thinking very well that, okay, answer structure now I can do. So now next step will be the next step in UPSC. So this is what we will see. And how much syllabus? So this is a question many had asked. How much syllabus we are planning to complete? See, that is the point. Institutions have very big establishment. Even then, how much they are completing is a very questionable mark. But what I have planned, so in the syllabus, that is why I said it is a scientific way of approaching the syllabus. What I am approaching is that 1,000 marks, so total in mains, for example, total marks in mains 1,750. So what I am thinking is that approximately 1,000. So that is what I said. The schedule I would be putting, the syllabus covered will also be put in the group with the schedule, with the schedule. Once the payment is done, once the details are given, and you will be added in the Telegram group, and this schedule and everything will be given. So what I, for example, what I think is that nearly 1,000 marks, nearly 1,000 marks out of this 1,750 will be covered, or you will have an idea, you will have an answer structure, you will have a framework, that is very key. Now maybe you can think whether it is needed or not. When you are writing mains, I can assure you this framework, this answer writing will help you, and you would have covered enough. Then very small portions will be left which are very static, and you will be definitely able to do that. And then first time students, so many had asked, I am a first time students, whether I have to take this as a program. Actually, this is for the first time, first time, in the sense, what I'm trying to say is that I have not covered the portion whether I can take up this answer writing. That is why we have chosen one question. So two question per day. One is a compulsory question. One is you can write it, or you can have a framework for yourself. You can see whether how you can approach. And but the point why we have kept this is that you will complete the syllabus gradually. You will complete the syllabus as well as you will understand answer writing. So the both these things is not separate, so you should not think about whether, that is the point, whether answer writing can we go for 20 questions, that is not possible. That is the point. 20 questions writing, preparing itself will go. And the reason why we adopted this framework is that it should be easier and more than one attempt. So for people who are more than one attempt, yes, this is also a definite platform, right? In the sense that how would you frame an answer structure? You would understand. That is what many had asked me. For example, many had asked me, so many attempts are passing, mains I am not able to clear. That is what answer framework structure, how an essay should be, how a GS paper 1 should be, or how the framework has to be in the content that you write, that you will understand, right? So you will see this, whether first time or second time or whichever time you are, we will make sure that this answer structure is there. Next, so for example, somebody asked me, I'm a working professional, can I take this thing? Yes, right, in the sense that, because this is framework one question a day. Why the framework one question a day is the reducing of load. So I am, so for actually load reduces for you and for me as well, because I as I told you, I have a very small team, and not possible, it was not possible to accommodate everyone also, as I explained it. But the point is that I wanted to be part, and hence what I thought was answer structure framing will go continuously. This is what feedback should be, very continuous, and it should not be what to say, it should not be like I did answer writing in one day, next 10 15 days I'm writing again. It should be a continuous process, everyday process. So 45 days within, so let us assume within 50 days. So within 50 days, you will understand what this examination is, what this answer writing requires, and that is what evening Zoom sessions. We have discussion sessions. We have planned it in the evening itself. So we are not planning it in the morning or something like that. Evening. So after 6 or after even 8. So any working professionals are there, we'll manage the timing. Do not worry about that. So this is the information which I wanted to give. So I'll repeat this. There is a Minds of Aspirant group in the link description, and then the pinned comment. You will have all the details necessary in that group. And for example, if you have sent a mail registry, you will receive a mail very soon detailing all the information that are necessary and the amount that need to be paid and to the place it has to be paid. So once you pay that and send us the confirmation of the receipt, that is the point. You have to send us the confirmation that you have paid. Once you do that, you will be added in a Telegram group. You will be added in a Telegram group, and they will give all the information. So the content structure or the syllabus structure or the days when the answering should be done, for a schedule. The schedule will be there. Many had asked for the schedule. It will be there. So once the schedule is given, only you can prepare, right? So it will be there. The link for that is in the description, and the Minds of Aspirant group in the pinned comment. But I wanted to say two things. So when I could not clear, there were two things, two comments in that. One was that I had wasted all the time in civil services. Partially true, maybe true. I have given everything. So all the time that I had given for civil services, and people said that I had wasted my time. Okay, okay, I accept that. Okay, but the point is that the second one hurted me. The second one hurted me personally, in the sense that, as I told you, civil services was something which I really liked and started preparing prelims, mains. I was sincere in everything. Maybe I should have improved my talking in interview. I accept that. I agree to that. I should have improved my talking. I should have I should have come out of that introverted culture, introvert culture, and I should have become a very responsive person. When somebody asks me a question, I should have been able to respond properly. But anyways, but other things, preliminary examination, mains examination, how to write an answer, how to clear a prelims examination, that I was very sure. And that information I kept collecting every day. I kept collecting every day. But the point, what happened was, what people said was, that is going to go waste, right? That is going to go waste. That was the feeling I had. That is the feeling I had, that it was all waste. So for 10, maybe 12, 10, 12 years, whatever I had collected, whatever methodologies and what and all I collected for this answer writing framework, prelims answer structure, they said it was a waste. And yes, it was actually, I was thinking like that. And I could not get, as I told you, I could not get any what to say, any opportunity, also any opportunity to tell how to clear prelims or how to clear mains. And that is why I chose this YouTube. That is why, without any or uh, proper opportunity, I chose this as a medium. And the point again, so it was, I thought, okay, let us give this information. And but the response, so I thought it was a waste. So whatever I have learned, it is going to go a waste. So that is what I thought. Whatever I read, everything is gone, so I have to do something else. But the response, so when I saw the response today, so I thought I was planning for 50 people. So I was planning for 50 people, but more than 200 have given your response. You have given your trust on myself and my team. This is overwhelming. This is overwhelming. So maybe that day I thought that whatever I've read, that is what I thought, and everyone said that whatever I've read, it is going to go waste. What are you going to do with that? You have to do something else. But I feel that it is not going to go waste. I feel that it is not going to go waste. I could not uh, go into the final list, but you can go. That is the point. So I will try to give you this answer structure. I will try to give you how to clear this exam. You guys clear, you guys become the officers, and that is the response. That is the point of all this. So why I am doing all this is that, at the end of the day, if you think about it, it is for this. So the name, so final name in that PDF, when where everyone says it is not possible to come in that PDF. How do you come in that PDF? That is the end. So where it is going to end means it is going to end in the name in the PDF. So that is what you guys, I hopefully you guys do, and all the best. Thank you for all your response. Good night.